Berkshire Hathaway Home Services sales executives for our video message of the week. All right, in the recent past, we talked about building relationships, but we were focusing on building those relationships with people we know who already love us. Well, what about building those relationships with people we have never met? And that's why today I entitled my video message is Building Relationships with a Powerful First Impression. I'm going to give you 3 tips today, 3 items to think about that all encompass you being able to build a relationship with someone you have never had the opportunity to meet before. All right, so let's jump in. First of all, we have to internalize that this starts with our presentation. It's always about our presentation. Remember, we're immediately on stage in every aspect that we do when we're talking to an individual. So what's important as it comes to that first impression? Well, one is our personal power. And what I mean by that is dress for success. You need to make sure that you are dressed professionally. You've got that power starting from just how you look. So they have connected with you because they know, you know what, this person is a professional. They're here to do business, and I want to listen to what they say. Secondly, is you got to make sure that you touch in to your national power. And that is the brand of Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. Please do not forget to make sure that that's incorporated, not just in a visual sense, which is important, but the way you communicate it. Know key stats. Know that they're one of the largest five companies on the entire planet. That really our competition really has nothing to do with other real estate organizations or franchises. It's Google, it's Apple, it's Exxon. That is the group of people that Berkshire Hathaway is really entwined with. All right? Know that there's 750,000 plus shareholders in the US. And this is a stock price that's at $200,000 for one share, at least as of today. Okay? So keep this in mind. Make sure you have your talking points as it comes to your national power, your brand. And third, and so important, is your professional power. All right? What am I talking about? I'm talking about your business process. I'm talking about what you're going to do to make sure my real estate transaction, be it a listing or be it a sale, is going to go smoothly, going to go effectively, and achieve the goals that I want to achieve. You know, it's so easy to get in our head that we know we're going to do a good job. We truly do care. We're going to jump in. But guess what? That needs to be communicated effectively within your presentation when you're talking to the consumer. Make sure you don't skip those steps. They don't know how good you are. They've got to feel it. They've got to see it. You know what? You learn through our teachings about, they need to understand how aggressive your schedule is. They need to understand the business aspect of how you price property, how you look at the marketplace. Make sure all those aspects are shown to them so they see the comparison, they visualize what you're doing, and they hear you communicating the same thing at the same time. All right? Building relationships is key to all that we do. But building relationships with people, you have never met is an art form. These are 3 tips to help you succeed at a much higher level in building those relationships. Have a great week, everybody, and we'll talk to you next week. Bye-bye.